kitchen. We are with the Hoover. It's time. I think it's been a year since we did this, isn't it, Mr. Producer? I think. We'll have to check, because I'm sure we did a video on it at some point. Did we do it in the bedroom or something, the last one that we changed? Anyway, I'm changing my bag, but I'm also talking about the Hoover. So we've had it just over a year now, because I got it not for this Christmas, the Christmas before. Not really any problems with it. It's done what it's meant to do. It's done the caravan port as well. It's done all that. Yes, it has. It hoovered at the caravan port. Yes, it did. Are you sure? Are you 100% sure it wasn't this one? Was it the grey one, was it, that did the caravan port? Which one was it then? The silver one. So the grey one then. Yeah, the grey one. He's just being pernickety now because I won't say what he wants me to say. Simple as that. But I thought it was this one because this one... does this one not do water then? I thought this one did water as well. But no, it wasn't this one. I'm being informed. But yes, we're doing our yearly review. It's worked fine. There we go. Yearly review done. Ta-da! No, it has been a really good machine. Still waiting for Mr. Producer to find something to put all the bits and bobs in though, because the bag does fall off. I think that would probably be the only thing that's the problem. That Mr. Producer hasn't pulled his finger out and got a tray for it yet. But he can't find one, he's now telling me. So yeah, that goes on there. Yeah, we're gonna see if I can remember how to change this. Oh my god, that is full. That is really full. I can't really get any lower. But see, that comes out like a mop bucket. So I think this does do water as well, Mr. Producer. But here's the bags, the filter bag set. The Aero Nilfisk Auto. Why compromise? Cleaning with a smile. So yeah, contains 4 fleece filter bags, 1 fleece wet filter with rubber band. So it does do water, doesn't it? I'm going to get my carry bag out. And I've got one in here. Show you one. Nice as well, haven't I? So yes, get my bag out ready to put this very full bag in. Right, so now you need to twist it off basically, I think. And that's all you do. Okay. That is very full. How full that is. Please don't split, please don't split, please don't split. Alright, so that would be the bag empty. Oh, in there anyway. Yeah, it gives you directions as well on how to do it. It does. So basically, I remember from last time, just push that in, slide that bit on, and wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. There we go. Nice new Hoover bag for me. Yes. Because we've got the new Hoover for the fire, I'm gonna try not to hoover up the ash with the fire. That's the plan. That's why we're changing the bag. Not going back on there. Let's have a look. Should be other side in. That means I've done it right. It's not going back on. Why is it not going back on? What have I done wrong? Huh? Oh, the handle! You clever thing. One side glued in. Ta-da! All done. So yes, I'm going to dispose of my nice heavy bag there, and that's the bag changed and our yearly review. Yeah, I've still not figured out why there's a plug socket there. Huh? What's that mean? For headphones. It says for a drill. It says for a drill on the actual thing here. And there's a symbol on the button here for a drill as well. So I don't think it's for headphones. Okay. But yes, I'm liking all the appliances still to it. Everything's really good. Mr. Producer gives it a nice wash out for me every now and again, bless him. You have done, you've washed it a couple of times. I'm sure you have. Unless I'm mistaken again. But yeah. It's a really good Hoover. Definitely recommend it. It's a bit bulky, but then Dysons are bulky as well, aren't they really? I know some of them aren't, but yeah, I think it's a good Hoover. I know it's meant to be for a workman, but the state that these monkeys and Mr. Producer gets his house in is definitely needed, as you can see by the bag that is full. But yes. Thank you for joining me and changing my bag and doing my yearly review on my brilliant Aero Nilfisk Hoover. Like the video for me, subscribe to my channels and follow me on Twitter and Instagram at Adelesexyuk. Goodbye.